And if you don't want to just proceed to the next clean area for cutting, you want to turn it in the offline mode. Use the feed. I like to bring it down, so this edge we'll use as a cutting edge to cut across the whole vinyl. So, choose X-Acto blades, keep tension on the vinyl, put the blade against it. Just cut all the way across. Okay, now we have our vinyl removed from the machine. I'll show you how to weed it. Using just an X-Acto knife. First I'm going to kind of show you, these are the edges, you probably can't see them in the cut, but we have kind of junk stuff over here, all around the outside, and then the kind of inside, this is all white space. And then to make things easier, this is the top of the Illuminati symbol, and this is our square cut, so I will cut from there, and then I'll do one on the bottom as well, just from this line to the bottom of the symbol. What this will do is we'll bisect our wasted space. Not so important on something like a triangle, but when you have fine text, you're going to want to add relief cuts just to help with the weeding. So to weed, you just kind of put the razor blade under the corner and kind of pick it up, and then do our relief cut first. So we'll do this one, bottom one, do the top one, so just from the top of that triangle, and I'm just pressing lightly, I'm not cutting vinyl paper as the vinyl, and then kind of the paper on the back. This is Oracal 651, highly recommend, go on Sign Warehouse and get their little Oracal starter book or whatever book, and then you can see what all the qualities mean. Like 651 is pretty good for outdoor use. So when we cut this, and when we peel this, you can see right at that relief cut we added, it'll naturally just peel away from there. Go around and weed all the vinyl. Okay, so we're taking all of our extra unused vinyl off. And to note, I'm just using, this is like one of those roller chair, you can see, for when you have carpet on or a desk, office chair on carpet. These mats are actually really good, and you can pick them up for next to nothing. Dumpster diving or looking in an office or Craigslist. And they kind of self-heal too, so I like to use these for cut. So once we have our vinyl cut, get rid of our scrap. Next, we're going to use what's called release paper or transfer paper. We have two types here. There's this one, which is cheap and kind of paper and not very see-through. I don't really like using that anymore, and I'll put kind of links to these in the description. This other one is more plasticky and clear, and I like that. So what we'll do, just kind of roll out some of this film, enough to kind of cover our vinyl. Put it on here, push down, and then use your razor blade and just trim off the excess It's okay to leave a little bit. Or you can trim both the backing paper and the transfer paper once. Next step is kind of critical, and if you get better release paper, you might have to find the right one if you're trying to do production level stuff. Just go around and just kind of, what we're doing is we're pushing the vinyl, the front face of the vinyl, onto the transfer paper. The way this works is we have our vinyl, which comes on the backing paper. This has a slippery, like, sticker backing, and then the vinyl to this has maybe level 1 tack, and then the front of the vinyl to this transfer paper is level 2 tack. So as we peel this back, it's going to stick to the transfer paper. As you're peeling it back, if you have, like, this corner it doesn't want to attach or something, we'll kind of force it. If your corner's not attaching, just kind of go back over, push it down, and then you can even use the razor blade to kind of help it up. So peel that off, and there's our sticker. Since we don't really need this Illuminati sticker, we'll just kind of put it on the machine, push it down real good, and it's okay if the transfer paper is wrinkled, it's not put down right. And then very carefully, the paint on these machines doesn't really want to stick. Very carefully just remove your backing paper. This is a challenge. And you may just have to push hard and roll it flat. And see it creative, you can get one-handed with a camera for fucking YouTube. Nobody really cares. And then you can see it cut out all of our little corrections. But if you did a good job peeling that off, you can fix it. Actually, it looks kind of cool. And that's it. In terms of shutting the machine off, you want to make sure your lever arm is in the upright position. If you leave it on the rollers, it can make little dents. So lift that up. I like to go underneath the machine, just feed the extra vinyl back on the roll so it stays round. Power switch off. And then in our Sign Blazer focus, done cutting tiles, we'll hit finish, and then you just want to make sure you file save and save your SBD file in case you want to cut it again later.